So on today's episode, we're going to be replacing this half-size radiator, and we're going to put the full-size radiator back in. Now this half-size radiator does its job. It does keep the car, the motor and everything at normal temperature, but once I use my AC, the car starts to overheat. And I'm thinking because, this is a full-size condenser and we have a half-size radiator, and we're not getting the proper cooling efficiency through the condenser. What we're going to replace this with is a full-size radiator off of eBay. It's a 2-core aluminum radiator with a slim fan and shroud. I'm also going to take the AC fan off and bolt it onto the new radiator because the aluminum radiator doesn't have the provisions to put the stock condenser fan back on. So if you do go with the 2-row aluminum radiator, you'll have to get an out-the-market slim fan. But anyway, let me go ahead and get the coolant drained out and get this radiator popped out. And this radiator will be going into my DA. The half-size radiator is going to go into this car, my K-swap DA. All right, y'all, so this radiator is a 2-inch core radiator. It has a 12-inch slim fan with a shroud. Unfortunately, the aftermarket radiators for a DA don't come with a AC condenser mount for the radiator, so you have to purchase a slim fan. This is a 10-inch slim fan. It fits perfect. Only thing you have to do is, change your connectors. This one, I already changed the connector from my previous setup, so I'm not using the stock connector. I wish I would have just kept the stock connector and swapped it off to this fan, but whatever. But the AC fan has the stock connector. So I'm gonna take the radiator hoses back off, the half-size radiator, swap it on here and drop it in here. All right, y'all, so the radiator did fix the AC problem. We got nice cold AC again back in the Integra. I know this is a short video, it's just a radiator install. But if you guys want to stick around for some more DA content on my DB2 and my K-swap Integra, hit that like button and consider subscribing. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.